What's happening, hardscapers? My name is Mike Pletz, and I'm the host of the How to Hardscape podcast, where we talk to you about how you can start and grow your hardscaping business. And today I just want to talk about the I Am a Hardscaper YouTube channel, what we're trying to do with that here, and what you've got to look forward to on this channel if you subscribe to it and like this video. On the podcast, we interview a large variety of guests and talk about a large variety of aspects in terms of owning and operating your business, as well as lifestyle and other subjects. But on the podcast, we have an I Am a Hardscaper series where we sit down with a hardscape business owner and talk to them about their business and what they do in their operations. And it's with those interviews that we try to instill a sense of pride into the industry, where we say, I am a hardscaper, and we take pride in that when we say that. Oftentimes when I am speaking to somebody that I've just met, they ask me, what do I do for a living? I say, I am a hardscaper. They say back to me, what's that? And I say, well, I'm like a landscaper, but I deal with hard products such as concrete products, pavers, interlock, retaining walls, and I install those. And they say, oh, so you cut grass. Or instead of saying I am a hardscaper, I might say I am a business owner. And it's really this that I want to create a sense of pride in the industry, that we say I am a hardscaper, and we take a great sense of pride in that, and the public really starts to identify us as hardscapers and what we do, and they appreciate the projects that we're putting together, from interlock driveways, retaining walls, to these beautiful outdoor living spaces that I see people installing. It's all of this that I want to bring to the forefront with this YouTube channel. So with this YouTube channel, you're going to see things like installation best practices, tools, techniques, equipment, and also I want to get into visiting job sites of other hardscapers to see what they do, and to, in a sense, create a more visual element to the podcast where we get to see more of the on-site practices, more of the job site visits, and everything that other companies have got going on, so that we can bring this value to a broader audience and to help them see what it takes to become a hardscaper in this industry. So if that interests you, follow along here, subscribe to us at I Am a Hardscaper, check out the How to Hardscape podcast if you haven't already. We'd love to have you along this journey and sharing when you can if you see some value in it.